Hi, I'm Sage. Welcome back to the Addictive Wellness channel. Today we are joined by a very special guest. This is my good friend Jumpei Kontani.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. Jumpei, we have known for many, many years, a good friend of mine in Ana Blanca. He was our first employee with Addictive Wellness in the very early days. We were doing events together. You were helping with shipping. You were helping us with sales calls, getting our product in the stores.
Yep.
So much stuff. You've now gone on to start building a real estate career.
Correct.
And doing mindful real estate, which I think is very cool, to take a different approach to things and care about people.
Thank you. Proud of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll put a link, if you guys are buying or selling a home, we'll put a link to Jumpei down in the description, and you can connect with him. But tonight, what brings us here is, well, Jumpei's visiting Los Angeles, and we were so excited to see him. And what are we going to make here, Jumpei?
Well, Ana Blanca texted me yesterday saying, bring your recipe. I'm like, what recipe? And I go, goji berry ice cream that Sage makes. No, it has to be your recipe. So I said, all right, let me think about it. And it took me a good 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we're making pad thai today.
Pad thai, okay. So is this like a conventional, non-vegan pad thai, or what's our approach to this kind of?
Okay, so think about pad thai. It's usually really sweet, and they put tofu, and they sometimes put chicken. And I'm vegan, so I had a hard time finding a really good vegan like quality pad thai.
Yeah.
So I started making myself.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Do you remember when was the first time you ever tasted pad thai?
That's a really good question. I think I do remember that. I think it was in San Diego.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Tasted good, but it tasted really sweet.
Yeah.
And I think it was orange instead of like natural peanut color.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, it was kind of reddish.
Yeah.
And it didn't taste good.
But you gave it a second try.
I did.
Somewhere down the line, and it's a dish you love now.
I went to Thailand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you went for the authentic experience.
Exactly.
I love it. Okay, cool. So this is going to be a vegan pad thai, and then of course, us being us, we're going to do what we do and add in some fun super herbs into this. So glad you guys are joining us for the experience.
Yes.
All right. So Jumpei, where are we going to start here with all these beautiful ingredients?
Well, okay, we're going to start with frying. We're going to use coconut oil first of all.
Yeah.
So let's use the coconut oil. You can also use sesame oil if you like to, but I like coconut oil. Just tastes very neutral.
Yeah, healthy saturated fats, goes in good flavor-wise with the pad thai. Good for your brain and your nervous system and your thyroid. Keeping all those organs very
happy. That's pretty good.
So let's shake this around a little bit here.
Nice. Okay, and I always like to start with garlic and onions. That's just like my cooking 101. I don't know how you do it. But I love garlic and onions first. Yes. So I just already chopped up those garlic, so I'm gonna put that on right here.
Perfect.
It's good.
Garlic, of course, great for the immune system.
Yeah.
Especially as we're coming into winter now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Powerful tool to be incorporating.
Okay, and also onions.
Chopped onions, nice, very high.
That's good.
Quercetin is a.
Oh, tell me about that. What is that?
Well, quercetin, a lot of people don't get enough of. It's very good for brain health, the mind, nervous system health.
It is.
Things. Yeah.
Huh. That's pretty good.
Happiness. It's a happiness.
And happiness.
Yeah.
Interesting.
You got enough quercetin, I think. Jumpei is one of the most positive, happy guys I have ever met.
I'm eating too much onions, I guess. Okay. That's good. So we're just gonna grill this for a little bit.
Okay.
So it turns a little brownish. So that's good. And then once we do that, and then we're gonna put all this good veggies. So today we got bell peppers, carrots, and also green onion, mung bean sprouts, and also shiitake mushrooms. Oh my gosh, you definitely have to have shiitake mushrooms for pad thai or any stir fries in general, any Asian cuisine, yeah. So basically you wanna soak this for like maybe like 10-20 minutes with a little bit of lukewarm water, and then you're gonna wanna save this like broth. You don't wanna throw away this water because this is what all the ingredients are, or the nutrients are.
Okay.
So, good stuff. So I'm actually gonna put this in.
Okay.
Da-da-da. Ooh, we're gonna put tons of shiitake.
Oh, I love it.
Oh,
Nice. Get that
Can
all
I just
in there.
put all this thing?
Yeah, dump the whole thing in there. This is me, you, and Ana Blanca, and nobody's eaten in the past couple hours, so we gotta go big.
This is good. Okay. And then we're gonna do some hard stuff, some carrots.
Carrots, okay.
We don't need the whole carrots, but maybe half of it.
The julienne carrots here.
Ooh, julienne carrots. What's that?
Julienne is where you slice them up real thin.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Good to know. Learning something. And okay, so we are going to put some bell peppers.
Okay.
Yep.
Got red and yellow.
Yeah. Stuff from yellow.
Preferably red and yellow over green. Green is basically an unripe bell pepper, and so not quite
really?
as good for you. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's why green is not so epic. It's not the worst. Like, don't throw out a dish just because it's got a little bit of green bell pepper in it.
Mm-hmm.
But in terms of what's optimal, you're always going to be best with orange and yellow and red.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good.
Fantastic. All right, anything else going in here on the heat, or are we ready to make our sauce, do you think?
I think we can go with sauce because I want to put sprouts and then basil and then the cilantro afterwards.
Oh, those go on top of the
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So let's move on to sauce. Cool.
Okay, so sauce we're going to be making in a blender, and this is going to be a bit of an unconventional approach to sauce
It's gonna be so good.
because we're not using regular peanuts. So I'll let you get started with it, and then we'll explain the peanut situation in a minute.
Okay, so basically sauce I make with coconut amino instead of soy sauce. And also rice vinegar, organic rice vinegar if you have any, and lime juice, and then dry Thai chili pepper. You can use like raw Thai chili if you want to. And then also we are gonna put black ginger today. It's a Thai black ginger.
Right, so this is a pad Thai. We thought, well, what super herbs can we add into this? And of course, it seemed like it would be wrong not to put our Thai black ginger into there.
Okay, so Sage, I've never tasted this before.
Oh, you haven't?
So I'm not sure how it's gonna go with it, but I want to try.
Okay, well, why don't we give you a little taste of it first?
Yeah.
Just so we make sure we don't mess up the dish, because this is your masterpiece. I don't
Fair
want
enough.
to take
Fair
any
enough.
risks. So Thai black ginger is actually purple in color.
So what's the difference between
It's,
regular?
So they're kind of like cousins.
It looks purple.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Are you sure
color,
this
right?
is ginger?
It's Thai black ginger. Yeah, it's like it's this vibrant purple color. This is a freeze-dried extract.
This is like literally purple. Doesn't look like ginger at all.
Yeah. So this is actually quite a powerful aphrodisiac. It also is shown in studies to increase muscle strength and muscle endurance. So it's shown both in animal studies and with athletes that for strength and endurance, it's fantastic.
All right.
Yeah.
Can I taste it?
Go for
Do
it.
the whole
Yeah.
thing?
Go for it. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hit it. What do you think? Are we going to be able to make that work? So flavor-wise, it's not as spicy as regular ginger would be. It's more earthy in flavor.
Very earthy.
Yeah.
Very potent. It's a little bitter-ish.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. That's powerful.
Yeah. It, like there's a level of flavor that expands like
Love it.
5 to 10 seconds into having it. It's got many levels of flavor going on there.
I don't think we're going to put tons of it,
No,
but
we'll
I
just
think a
do-
little hint of it would be really good.
You don't need a lot. Yeah, we'll do just like a quarter teaspoon
Ooh!
in there.
You woke me up.
Nice.
Good.
Nice.
Good.
Love it. You had a long
It
day.
finds me really hot.
Oh, wait, Ana Blanca's putting in her 2 cents here. What do you say, Ana
I
Blanca?
said, no, he finds me really hot.
Oh, yeah, well. Well, then, Jumpei, we're making this and we're getting you out of here because you're way too cool of a guy.
Woo. All right, I love that black ginger, and also we are putting. I don't want to forget about the peanuts.
Yes.
What kind of peanuts are we using today?
Well, first, okay, we got our blender over here that we're going to use because we are not using regular peanut butter. So let's just put this black ginger in there first. Yeah, we'll just do a quarter teaspoon.
Okay,
We're gonna
fair enough.
do not too little, but not too much.
Nice.
Sweet spot. And
Right.
so normally you'd use peanut butter at this step. But the problem with peanuts is they are very high in aflatoxins, modern peanuts. These are mold toxins that are bad for your nervous system, bad for your brain. They're basically the byproducts of the mold that are just one of the most devastating toxins for the human body. What we are going to use here are Amazonian jungle peanuts. This is like the heirloom peanut. As peanuts got hybridized over the years, they became weak and they fell prey to this mold. These are the original OG peanuts that
Wow.
don't have these problems. They still have that genetic robustness. So we're going to put these in here and we're going to blend them in to make our peanut sauce.
I had no idea about the peanut, so
Yeah.
I feel kind of guilty, like spooning on the peanut butter. And
Well,
I was
You know,
put it on the
you
banana.
really enjoyed it. You really enjoyed it at the time, and that's what counts. Don't go back and take enjoyment out of past experiences just
Very
because
true.
they weren't healthy. The only healthiest thing to do is be super glad you had those experiences.
You're not alone, okay? Cool. Sounds good. So let's.
So peanuts into the blender.
Yeah, peanuts for sure. Can I put the whole? Yeah, I can put the whole thing, right?
Yeah, go for it.
That's good.
And then, you know, if you had a proper like nut butter grinder, you could just do it like that. But we're blending it, so we're going to add the rest of this coconut oil in
Okay.
here to kind of make it blendable. And then what else is going in our sauce, Jumpei?
We're gonna put a coconut amino and a rice vinegar. So coconut amino is right there. Rice vinegar is right here.
Okay.
Nice.
So we're taking all, you know, regularly you would use normal vinegar and you would use soy sauce. At every step, we're seeing how can we make it as good as possible.
Yeah. This is coconut amino.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna use lime juice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and organized here. Okay.
I love your organization skills.
Thank you. Okay. Let's blend this real quick. Mmm. Oh, it smells so good.
You did a bit of a workout.
And I always love the fresh lime over anything. So good. Mmm. Cool. Alrighty. That's a workout for sure.
Yeah.
Good. I didn't get to work up today, so. Da-da-da.
So how?
We went surfing earlier today, by the way.
Yeah.
I know. How was the waves?
It was fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I hadn't been in the water that much recently, so
Yeah.
it's just like really nice to be in the ocean. It's a beautiful morning at offshore.
Sure.
It's like, yeah.
The swell hitting from.
It was kind of.
Yeah.
Not as much as I had expected.
Uh-huh.
But
San Diego was big yesterday.
I bet it must have been nice.
Okay.
Lime juice.
Nice. Okay. And then this is my secret recipe, actually, so
Yeah.
don't tell anybody.
Okay. We'll
Okay.
keep it silent. You don't tell anybody. You're holding the secret for us here.
So I put this coconut cream
Uh-huh.
or coconut milk in it, but this
Yeah.
time I'm going to spread coconut cream.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna blend them in together. This is what makes it really nice and creamy.
This is gonna be good.
Cool.
All right. Time to blend.
Yes. Okay.
So, of course, we always like to try to find a way to squeeze reishi into anything we make because it is such an amazing herb. Quiets the mind, opens the heart, enhances your natural immune intelligence, brings down stress, helps with blood sugar, does so much. So we're not going to do too much because we don't want the bitter to overpower, but we're going to put a good quarter teaspoon of reishi over the top of our dish here.
So now the veggie is really nicely cooked. Just gonna sprinkle this reishi.
There you go, reishi, the herb of immortality and spiritual potency.
Wow.
Okay, now you may wonder, are we going to use conventional wheat pasta for this dish? What are we going to use as our pasta? We have, actually, a special organic rice pasta with moringa leaf put into it. Moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the entire world, moringa leaf. It not only has fantastic levels of antioxidants, but it's also helpful with cholesterol, with blood sugar, and just, it's a fantastic ultra nutrient dense food to incorporate, and it's so nice to have it here. It also helps to protect against arsenic toxicity, which is another very important thing because with rice you do run the risk of some arsenic coming in, so moringa is really the perfect thing to pair with it.
Is that the reason why it's kind of green here?
That's why our pasta is a little bit green.
Gotcha.
Because we got moringa in there.
It looked like this before we boiled it. Now we've cooked it, so let's see. So I'm gonna start putting it in here.
All right, you do your thing.
All right, and now I'm gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper.
Right, a little spicy action. Good for the heart.
Yep. It's actually no cayenne. It's like dry Thai chili pepper.
Ah, gotcha.
I like both.
Keeping it authentic.
Yeah, exactly. Cool. Can you handle a little spice?
I'll handle it. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I don't do lots of spice all the time, but if you're here making us something special, I'm having it.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. All right, now we gotta
let me get in the lead. Start over. I didn't get next shot.
That's right.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna. Okay, wait. Which one is it?
What are you doing?
It's on now.
It's
already
recording.
on?
It's recording.
I thought you asked me to hit the recording.
No, I said we're recording now on Blanca.
All right, now it's time to put this. Okay. Go. Okay, now we are ready to put this sauce on.
All right.
Cool. Let's do it.
Our coconut peanut sauce.
Yeah, it's delicious. Oh,
We're bringing together the magic of Thailand and the Amazonian jungle peanut.
I'm getting really hungry right now. All right, that looks so good. Right, well, I think it's ready.
All right, that's it, guys. This is Jumpei's amazing pad Thai creation. We are gonna go divide this up 3 ways and have an amazing dinner. We wish we could share it with you, but our food teleportation system is down at the moment. I hope to have it back up again
Sorry. No, sorry.
soon. Thank you, Jumpei, so much for joining us.
Good
and making
job.
this incredible dish.
Oh, yeah.
It's been so much fun, and
fun.
I can't wait to
Thanks
taste
for
it.
Wrap it up, guys. I'm starving here. It looks so good. It smells so good.
Thanks for joining us, guys.
Thank you,
We'll see you
guys.
next time.
Have a good one.